Hello students, this is Rajiv Atri. In this video we will discuss a relation between electric field intensity and electric potential. So students, first of all we have to study separately what is electric field and what is electric potential. After that, first of all we have to study separately in what is the electric field and electric potential, and after that we will able to relate them. So students, electric field is simply a ratio of electrostatic force to the test charge. By definition, electric field is equal to ratio of electrostatic force to the test charge, and by definition electrostatic potential is equal to work done divided by test charge. If the test charge is more than unit magnitude, but if it is of unit magnitude, then it is defined as only work done to move a unit charge. These are the definitions of electric field and electric potential. Now first of all, to relate these two quantities, we have to consider a charged body or a single charge for electric field, and in this region of electric field we have to determine 2 points which have their different potential. As the separation of points are at small distance from the original charged body, then if point A has a potential V, then B point has lesser potential than V, because they are separated by distance R and R plus dr from the original charge Q. So students, by definition of electric potential or potential difference, what is potential difference? What is the potential difference between A and B if we displaces a test charge from B to A? What is the potential difference? Work done from B to A divided by the test charge is equal to VA minus VB, because VA is a nearer point. VA minus VB. So work done. What is work done? F dot displacement. What is displacement? dr divided by test charge. Work done in form of electric field is equal to Q naught into E. So change the F, Q naught into E dot dr. Q naught cancel each other. Now after removing a dot product, we have to place a cos theta, cosine product is equal to VA potential at A is V and potential at V is V minus dV. V minus V plus dV, cancel each other, is equal to dV. And on left hand side, after removing dot product, as displacement or force is from B to A and electric field due to this point charge, positive charge, is from A to B, hence angle between them is 180 degree. So E dot dr, after removing dot product, it is cos pi, and from right hand side it is dV. Cos pi is minus minus 1 dV. E is equal to minus dV by dr. This is general relation between electric field and electric potential, and we can find this by change the displacement from A to B also. Let us find by another way. If we displace the charge particle from A to B, if we displace the charge particle from A to B, the angle between electric field and displacement will be 0 degree. Angle between electric field and displacement will be 0 degree. But the statement will change from here. W, work done from A to B. Work done from A to B divided by test charge is equal to V. V minus VA. By definition of electric potential or potential difference, which I explained in previous theory lectures. So F dot dr as it is, and VB minus VA, potential at B is equal to V minus dV. Potential at A is equal to V. Now in result, minus dV. E dot dr dot cos 0 degree plus 1, and dV, after cancellation, dV is of negative sign, and E is equal to minus dV by dr. The same relation can be derived if we displace the charge particle from B to A, or we can displace the charge particle A to B. Relation will remain the same. So students, if you have any doubt, then please put the doubt in your comment section, and if you like the video, then please share, like and subscribe the video. Thank you.